Wow, welcome back again, guys. Come on here on local. So finally, on this great day, I just visiting Gembleng waterfall. However, right now I was already at the Gembleng parking. That you have to know right now. There's the parking is still on the progress. That's because why there's you were here couldn't see there's enough space for parking. And over here, whenever you were at the parking, that you will see there's the big trees over here, and here we go. Over here, as you see, there's a lot of sign that's about Gambling Waterfall. Then I would like to show you more about the waterfall, and over here there's the donation desk that you can do a donation. It doesn't matter how much money that you give, like 20 or 30,000, that's up to you. And also, if you visit Gembleng Waterfall, that you will be welcoming by the staff from here, the local people that they are playing the instrument music with the bamboo. This is really unique, especially it is need the talent to playing the music. It's that not really easy, even though this I can't play it. It's really nice. I would like to go through the waterfall right now. It is like, hello, to walking about 5 minutes, then we will be see how gorgeous is Gembleng waterfall, guys. So I would like to keep walking right now. So it's the waterfall from the parking is not that far, but the stair is really steep. Look at that. But before we go to the main waterfall, that I would like to show you that the view from this side, it is super nice and gorgeous, guys. Look at that. Really nice. And the water was really clearly because it directly came from the forest. Well, I would like to keep going through the top. Over here, we even though can see there's stop point. That's probably would like to make a photo on the hardness, and the area is really natural, guys, because there's not so many built yet. The area is still really green. Even the weather is at right now, it's not really hot. This will be really nice and gorgeous. So I already exactly on the top of the hill right now. There's already see there's few tourists was over here. Especially the fall is not that big. It is quite small, but it's really Instagrammable to see. Hi buddy, how are you? Yeah. So it's really cool over here. Later I would like to show you more about the view around this area. The pool is not that big, but whenever the sunset time is really gorgeous, because there's the sunset will become over there. So I would like to keep going through the top to see the restaurant and also see another pool over here. That's getting more tourists come to this area, guys. So in here you have to know also you can find a toilet, a restaurant. So a lot of a sign over here you can see. Look at that. It's really nice. Hi. Hi, yeah. So I was already on the top. There's my friend too. I would like to go around to see the viewpoint from the top. I would like to turning my camera right now. Then you see more about the Gembleng waterfall, guys. Well, let's get something from this restaurant, guys. Over here, that you also might get the drink. It is really nice. It's not that expensive, especially with the beautiful view over here. That you can get in here: green juice, sunrise, orange, pineapple, watermelon, lime, and mint. There's also sunset. You can get a lot of kind of drink over here if you would like to smoothie, and this is about the drink. And also at the same restaurant that you can get also over here. It's like a little bit confused about the menu, guys, because they are just really started to open the restaurant. That's the menu that they have right now. Probably you would like to get something to drink or something to eat whenever you came through this area. So this is the menu, guys. You should come and try the drink and food over here, especially with the beautiful view, guys. Look at that. Ooh. Really nice. I'm so sorry, guys. Before, I never make a vlog through this place. Anyway, today I just will make sure that you will be keep watching my channel and you will know where is this place because I have my best friend. She is came from Brazil. She is Juliana, Brazil, Myanmar. So what do you think about this place, Juliana?
I heard about this place on a travel blog from a Brazilian blogger, and it's a hidden gem.
All right, thank
Amazing
you.
place.
Amazing.
I super recommend.
All right. So will you come and share with your friend that you have visited this beautiful hidden waterfall?
Absolutely.
Thank you. I will share to more people about this hidden waterfall. Thank you guys. Keep watching.